Good morning, students. You can see in my Excel page, you can see the 7 roll numbers present and 6 names are present. So today we learn how to edit the entire thing in MS Excel. Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, now you can see by default there is no, you can see the several boxes are present, but there is no lines. So when you start doing the print, you can see the changes which is present over here. There is no line. You can see on the right side is the page is appear. There is no lines. So for this one, what we will do? You select the entire box, click here and choose the all border. Okay. Then even I'm writing my name. Okay. So you can resize it this way. You can resize, or you can resize the column width. That time you can fix the both column. If you click here and right click and column width, if you want to fix 20, then it will fix 20. This is a column wise. Or if you want to change the both column size same, so that time you will select the both two columns, right click on any one of them, choose the column width, and suppose you want 20, then press 20. The both are same size. Okay. For row height, for row we are using the height and column width. So row height, again select, right click on any one of them, choose row height, and you choose suppose 20, and you can see the effects. Okay. Now you can see here the roll number, names, as the style is the Calibri, and size is 11. So we can modify it help of this one. So I am choosing the Times New Roman and choosing in the size manually, or we can increase one by one. Okay, it's your choice. Now you can see the names are present, roll number present, but the by default alignment is right side for number and left side for text. Okay, so we can resize it, but there is a sixth one is here. One is the horizontal alignment and one is the vertical alignment. So here is the top, center, middle and bottom. Here is the left, center and right. Okay, so I'll show you. Now you can choose this particular box, and you can see if you click here top left, top right, middle, top right, middle right, middle center, middle left, bottom center, bottom right. This one look better, so I'm always choosing the middle and center both. Okay, same way you can choose for each and every boxes. Click double and you got the effect. Okay, so I'm choosing the size, increasing the size because it's too small. Row height, I'm choosing here 30. Okay, now we can do here the bold, same way bold, italic, underline, your choice. Okay, now what we'll do, we are doing a new thing, which is the I'm writing a Sunday. So I'm writing Sunday, I'm not writing the Monday, Tuesday, all the days. So if I write any one days in a month, okay, in a week, you just write the name and coming here and hold your left mouse and drag it, you can see is repeated. One by one is repeated. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, again repeat until you stop. Okay, this is the automatic field, you can do it over here. Okay, now you can resize all those things is done over. Okay, so what we will do, we can do many things with the help of the Excel, different calculation, all those things we'll learn in the next video. Now you can see, you just select it and choose the different style, okay, or you can choose the color of your border. Okay, if you want to choose the red one, you can choose red. If you click and see, the box is red. One the mouse button become pencil. Okay, if you drag it, it will work. Or you can do one thing, you can click here and choose a different style for this one. That time it will look different. See the changes is happened. Those box you want to use, that one manually you can incorporate, or you can select it. Okay, now one more thing. Now for escaping this one, double click, just simply double click and it will over. Now hold, select it, and you can see this one for the background color. We choose it, it will become a background. And this one for the sentence or text. So I'm taking the white. You can see the text is in white, the background will be almost black. Okay, so this way we can do the editing in MS Excel. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel for more videos. In description box I'm giving the additional work of this Excel, so you can take a reference of this that video to do the several things in Excel. Thank you, have a nice day, see you in the next video.